turtle eggs.
Whoa! The eggs have hatched! They crawl really well.
They're going on a journey to find their mom.
Turtle?
Let's go play upstairs!
Nice.
Pass it to me. Right here.
Hey, Chip, catch this. Looks like he followed us here. I want that.
Oh, you want to slide?
Oh, I see we have a guest. That's nice to hear, but Baby Turtle needs to go to Mrs. Turtle.
Can we take him back to the beach together?
La 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 la.
Gotcha! Well, kids, it's time for us to leave.
Bye-bye, Baby Turtle! Huh? Can you guys hear that? Somebody's over there. Let's check it out. Come on.
Huh? It's a baby! Hey, don't cry. I think he must have lost his parents.
We have to help him find them.
Okay. Hello, Sparrow. Have you seen this baby's mommy?
Well, I'm not sure.
Hi there, Honeybee. Do you know who this baby's mommy is?
Well, he does seem to have a flat beak, which could mean that he's some kind of a duck.
Look there. We just found this baby duck in the woods.
Well, ducks always have wings like this, but this little cutie doesn't.
You're right.
But look, he's got quite a thick tail.
It looks very much like a beaver's.
Mr. Beaver!
We came to tell you we found the lost baby beaver.
Huh? A baby beaver?
Just take a look at his tail. It looks exactly like a beaver's.
Well, the cutie does have a strong, handsome, fine tail, but the rest of him isn't a beaver at all.
You sure?
If you're a beaver, you've got these big, old, amazing, beautiful teeth.
Mommy!
Oh, but who's this baby? Why, it's a baby platypus. See, they have both a beak, just like a duck, and a big flat tail, just like a beaver.
Baby?
Mrs. Platypus! Your baby's here!
My love! Mommy's been so worried.
My little one's found your little one, and since then they've been looking for you.
Children, I don't know how I could ever thank you.
Okay, here we go!
Odd, the boat is caught by a stone. The boat is moving again.
What's going on?
Baby fish, did you push the boat?
Yes! Yes!
Let's take him to our house.
Let's do this!
You want to bring a tadpole home? His mom must be desperately looking for him.
Oh, I wanted to stay with the tadpole.
Then, what if you take him to his mom yourself?
Are you a tadpole's mom?
What? I'm not a tadpole's mom. I'm a freshwater crab.
Huh? There!
Follow me well, my dear babies.
Big eyes, a long tail, and it's a good swimmer.
Huh? What are you talking about? I'm not the tadpole's mom. I'm a minnow.
No, it's not Mommy. Tadpole, do you miss your mommy?
Tadpole?
Huh? What is it, Tadpole?
Huh? What's that noise?
Tadpole, Why did you come here? Mommy! Mommy!
Oh, my baby.
That's strange. They didn't look alike at all. The tadpole doesn't have legs, but the frog does. It's itchy! It's itchy! Wow! The tadpole now has legs just like his mom! Just like his mommy! Is he a baby?
I know, Baby Bear. Why don't we share some of our tasty treats with our guests? Oh, it seems we're completely out of snacks. I need to run out and get some more.
Don't worry, I'll help you find some snacks. My children would be glad to look after Baby Bear.
What?
What about me? Get back! Stay away! Stay away from me! Here goes nothing! Look! Check this out! Here's your ball! Go get it, Baby Bear! Here! Gotcha! Guys, behind you, it's Baby Bear! Don't break!
Play ball.
All right, get ready! I'm gonna throw the ball! Here!
Oh, catch!
Here! Catch!
Try to catch me. Here? Here I come. There you are.
Oh!
We are ta-da! Kangaroos. Hi.
Do you want to play with us? We were just playing a game of tag.
Tag? All right. Sounds fun.
But you'll have to come out here. You won't be able to play tag in that pouch.
What? No, Mommy will play with me. I don't want to go out. What?
I'm right here.
Oh, she's coming this way.
I'm sure I heard someone here.
Back up.
I gotcha. Huh? It's you, Mrs. Kangaroo. I'm here.
He's right there, Mom.
Oh.
There too.
Here or here?
Bobby on the right.
I'll get him.
He's behind you.
Oh!
No, not there. There. This way.
Whoa!
Aw, so close. I think we'll catch them if you jump on that acorn tree over there.
All right, but I'll jump small this time. Okay, Kangaroo!
Mommy, you're jumping too small now. Jump bigger.
Like this?
Let's run away.
Yeah. Oh, yikes. Looks like Mom missed again.
But that was closer.
Here?
You can't catch me.
Or here?
I'm here. You'll never catch me. I'm too fast.
Be careful. Look, our kangaroo friend finally came out of his mother's pouch. Yeah. Huh? Look at that. I guess I did.
Oh, good job, my little one.
Here, subscribe to our channel.